guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this wrap necklace, so here are the supplies needed. First, I'm going to need a charm like this, which is a black crystal-like structure that is put into a hexagonal metal piece. Then I have this silver 24 gauge beading wire, 6mm jump rings, and a piece of chain that is however long you want your necklace to be. For my closure, I decided to use toggles, but you can use other things like a lobster clasp. Wire cutters, flat nose plier, and a round nose plier. So first I cut my chain, and for starting out I cut it longer than I needed it to be, so I cut out 24 inches. And for the silver wire, I'm going to cut more than I need to use, so I'm going to cut around a 5-inch piece, and I'm going to start wrapping it around the pendant. So I don't usually mix gold and silver together in jewelry, however at home I only had silver chain, and to best match the silver chain I want to use a silver wire. And also, if you can see the gold wire at the top center of the screen, it's a different shade of gold, and so I feel like using that wire and then a silver chain and then having this different gold on the pendant would be very chaotic. And once you're satisfied with how many wraps you did around the pendant, you just want to cut off the excess wire. With the flat nose plier holding the jump ring on the pendant, I'm going to just feed the chain through the jump ring. Then I'm going to take a jump ring, and then I'm going to take one side of the toggle piece, and then also one end of the necklace, and then I'm going to close my jump ring. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other end, so open the jump ring, attach the toggle piece, and then the chain. For the jump ring that's connected to the bar, I'm going to make it a little smaller because it was too big for the circular toggle piece. And at this point, if you want to shorten your necklace, you can just cut off some of the chain and then reattach the jump ring and the toggle piece.